I just got paid 200,000 naira instantly from this free app. I didn't have to sell anything. I didn't have to beg anybody. I didn't even do any work. All I did was lock money and boom, my account was credited with free money to spend instantly. Guys, I don't keep here. I saw this update and I decided to share it with you. You know the interesting thing? So many people have been using this app, but they don't even know about this feature. And I am guilty. I've used this app since 2020, right? And I only discovered this feature this year. Where have I been all this while? Well, it's never too late. The same time you wake up is your morning. So I've woken up and I want to wake everybody here up. So all I had to do was, instead of saving money in my account, I put it in a high interest saving account with this app, and it gave me instant interest I could withdraw and spend immediately. But guess what, smart girl that I am, I'm going to put that interest back so I can give you more money, and then it's that extra one that I'm going to spend. Anyway, what is this app and how do you use it? This app is Piggyvest. Yes, so Piggyvest has so many amazing features, but this particular one just beats it for me. This safe lock feature allows you to lock money for a specific period of time with very high interest rates, ranging from 14% to about 21%, depending on how long you want to lock the money. I decided to lock 1 million naira for 1 year, and immediately 20% of that was 200,000 naira. They paid it into my Flex wallet and it was free for me to withdraw immediately. What do you think about this? Isn't this great? Instead of leaving the 1 million naira in your bank account so that after 1 year, instead of it to even increase in value, it's going to depreciate in value. Yes, it's going to depreciate in value after 1 year. You want to save money? This is the smart way to save money, by locking it up in a high interest saving account. And Piggyvest is tested and trusted over the years. But I also recommend that you go do your research, find out about them. This is very important upon any investment that you want to do. It's important that you ask questions. Google, ask ChatGPT, ask different platforms. Is this platform trustworthy? And can I go ahead with it? How does this work? Simply go to your App Store or your Play Store and download Piggyvest. Create an account with your email address, confirm your account, and the next thing you have to do is to open it. When you open it, you go to your homepage, you see how much you've saved so far. If you just started, it's going to show 0. Then click on savings. When you click on savings, you see piggy bank, flex wallet, flex dollar. I'll talk about all of those ones maybe in another video. Just click on safe lock. When you click on safe lock, you see the options based on the duration. You can see that the lowest is about 14%. But if you want to lock for up to a year and almost a year, you can get up to 20% instantly paid. I would recommend that one because before you know it, a whole year has gone past and you save money without getting any interest. So click on that one, select the amount you want to put. Now let me break it down for you how this 20% works. If you save 1 million naira or you lock 1 million naira, you get 200,000 naira instantly, like I did. If you want to lock 2 million naira, you get 400k instantly. You lock 3 million naira, you get 600k instantly. Do you understand? That's how it works. If you lock 5 million naira, you get 1 million naira instantly for free. All you have to do is let them keep your money for you. And this will even save you from longer throat, spending money without planning and without budgeting. You know that you don't need this money for the next 1 year. Lock it up there instead of leaving it in your Nigerian bank that will be deducted from it. Before you come back, you'll be seeing now that something 1,000 naira. See? So this is exactly how it works. And Piggyvest has so many other amazing features that I have been using over the years, like the piggy bank that helps me lock my money for a specific time, even the targets, so I can save up to pay my house rent or to buy a new phone or a new laptop or something. You want to buy a new car or a new house, just create a target with how much your target is, how much the product is, the thing you want to buy is, and now plan how much you'll be saving, whether daily, weekly, monthly, for you to achieve that. See how it works? Easy peasy. So just go to your App Store or your Play Store, download Piggyvest and get started. Now, if you want me to do a detailed tutorial about the other features on Piggyvest, like the piggy bank that gives you up to 15% interest, the flex wallet where you can withdraw anytime and still get interest, the flex dollar where you can save in dollars, the targets where you can set a target, even the ones that you and your friends can come together instead of doing the ajo with somebody that you don't know that can carry your money and run. Why not you and your friends come together and create a target on Piggyvest where you can monitor each other's payments or each other's contributions. You can call this person and say, why haven't you contributed? And nobody can touch another person's money. That's the difference between the local ajo and this one. I cannot go and touch your money, but with local ajo, somebody will collect and disappear. You will not see the person again. You cannot kill them. These days, police doesn't even have time for all those things. So please save your money. Be money smart. Be wise about your money decisions, okay? make sure you're keeping your money in a place where you can actually trust and you can actually make your money to work for you. That is actually how to build lasting wealth. It's not by hustling and killing yourself day after day. You can get to the point where you've made money and then your money can now make money for you. And this is how it works. This is one of the most safest investment out there, investment options out there. You can use this to store your money, save your money, and get actual interest on top. So enough of the gist, enough of the talk. Just go download Piggyvest right now, start saving, and let me know how it goes in the comment section. If you want me to talk about the full video, you want me to do a full explanation, run you through the Piggyvest app, just let me know and I will do just that. And if you've gotten this far, please do it to like, subscribe, and please share this video on your WhatsApp status, your Instagram story, your Facebook page. Just share. I would sincerely appreciate it. Thank you for watching. Don't miss my next video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.